Today I will discuss some questions from exercise 4. So let us see the very first question. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, then we have to find them. So let us see the solution of this question. First of all, we have to write the value of a, that is equals to 3. The coefficient of x square is always termed as the value of a. Now here the value of b is equals to coefficient of x, that is equals to minus 4 root 3. Now the value of c is the constant term, that is equals to 4. After that we have to find out d. As we know, d is equals to b square minus 4ac. Value of b we are having minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a, 3, c. We can write here 4. Here we can write 48. Square of 4 will be 16. Square root of root 3 will be 3. 16 is the 48. Minus 48 equals to 0. Here we are having d is equals to 0. Since the value of d is equals to 0, hence the given quadratic equation will have real and equal roots. So the roots are real and equal. Real and equal roots. Now the second part of the question, we have to find them. If real root exists, then we have to find them. As both the roots are equal, so we can easily find out the roots. As we know the quadratic formula, x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b upon 2a. Now after that we have to write minus. On the place of b we can assign the value minus 4 root 3 plus minus the value of d we are having 0 upon 2 into a. The value of a is 3. So we can write here 4 root 3 upon 6. Hence the value of x will be equals to 2 root 3 upon 3. So we got the value of x. So roots are 2 root 3 upon 3. Second one also 2 root 3 upon 3. We have written the same roots as we got d is equals to 0. Hence we are having the real and equal roots. It means that both the roots are equal. Now let us see the second question. Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. We are having the equation kx multiplied by x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. We have to find the value of k such that the following quadratic equation will have equal roots. So first of all, we have to solve this equation. We can write here kx square minus 2 kx plus 6 equals to 0. In this equation, the value of a is given k. As we know, value of a is the coefficient of x square. Similarly, the value of b is given minus 2k. Value of c is given 6. Now, according to question, it is given that we have to find the value of k such that they have two equal roots. So, in that case, we have to write d equals to 0. If the value of d is equals to 0, then the given equation will have equal roots. On the place of d, we can write b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Value of b we can place here minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a. We can write that k into c. We can write 6 equals to 0. 4k square minus 24k is equals to 0. So here we can take 4k common. 4k under bracket k minus 6 equals to 0. So we can write here 4k is equals to 0 and k minus 6 is also equals to 0. So k is equals to 0 upon 4. So the first value of k is equals to 0, while while the second value of k is equals to 6. We got two different values of k. First one k equals to 0, second one k equals to 6. If we are taking k equals to 0 and we are putting here in this equation, then 0 into x square, the first term will be eliminated. Since the term of x square will be eliminated, then it will not be a quadratic equation. So we must take k is equals to 6. So the final solution, hence k equals to 6 is the solution of this question. Again I am repeating, we will not take k equals to 0. Why we are not going to take k equals to 0? Because if we will put k equals to 0, then the first term means the term of x square will be cancelled. 0 into x square, then it will be 0. Since this term will be eliminated, hence it will not be a quadratic equation. That's why we have taken k equals to 6. Now let us see fifth question. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So let us see the solution of this question. First of all, we have to assume let length of park be x while breadth of park be y. After assuming length and breadth of the park, then first of all we will form the first equation by taking this line. Perimeter of the park is 80 meters. So according to the question, we can write here perimeter of the park means 2 under bracket length plus breadth is equals to 80 meters. So x plus y will be equals to 80 divided by 2. So x plus y equals to 40. This can be our very first equation. Now again, according to the question, the area of the park is 400 meters square. So we can write here length into breadth. Area of the rectangular park will be equals to length into breadth, x into y, equals to 400 meters square. Now after that we have to find the value of either x in terms of y or value of y in terms of x. So we can write here x equals to 400 upon y. Now after getting the value of x equals to 400 upon y, then we have to put this value in this equation. So the equation is x plus y equals to 40. On the place of x we are going to place 400 upon y plus y equals to 40. You can find out the LCM here. 400 plus y square equals to 40. And finally we can have the equation y square plus 400 equals to 40 multiplied by y equals to 40y. Y square minus 40y plus 400 equals to 0. Now we got the quadratic equation. After that we have to check whether the roots of this equation is real or not. So we will find the value of d. The value of a is given 1, value of b is minus 40, while the value of c is 400. Now we will find the value of d. As we know, d equals to b square minus 4ac minus 40 square minus 4 into value of a is 1, c is 400. So here we will have 1600 minus 1600. So finally we are having d equals to 0. Since the value of d is equals to 0, hence we can say that the roots of the given quadratic equation will be real and equal also. So it is possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square. Now after that we have to find the length and breadth. So first of all we will find the root. X equals to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. Minus will be as it is. On the place of b we can write minus 40 plus minus under root 0 upon 2 into a. 2 into 1 equals to 40 upon 2. So we can write here 20. The value of x we got 20. Since x is the length of the park, after getting the length, we have to find the breadth. As we know, x plus y is equals to 40. So we can write here x plus y equals to 40. So we can write here the value of x is 20 plus y equals to 40. Y equals to 40 minus 20, and finally the value of y equals to 20. After getting the value of x and y, we can write the length and breadth of the park. Hence, length of the park, length of rectangular park equals to 20 meter, while breadth of park equals to 20 meter. So this is the final solution of this question.